In this quick video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Chevrolet Captiva Sport key fob so you can replace its internal battery at home. Now this process is very easy and it will take you under 5 minutes to do. One quick note, some of you out there may have a 3-button version of this device, one that looks quite similar to this, but it just has the 2 buttons on the top and the 1 on the bottom. There are just a couple different layouts of this device. It doesn't matter whether you have 4 buttons or 3 buttons. You can just follow along with this video, and I promise the procedure will be the same and we will get a new battery in your device in no time. The only thing you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. These batteries are pretty inexpensive. If you'd like to get them online, I will leave a link in the description that'll take you over to Amazon where you can get this particular battery for just a couple of bucks. So go check that out if you're interested, and then we can get right into it. So down here on the bottom of the device, right along the seam in the plastic, you can see there is a small indentation, kind of a very thin little slot there. That is what we're going to use to open this up. So we're going to insert our flathead screwdriver into there and twist to open it up. So find that area and just kind of push and wiggle your flathead in until it gets stuck in there. And once it is stuck in there, you just give a little twist and you will feel this start to open up. And then I recommend stop twisting and just come over here and pull it apart with your fingers. Or if it's still a little too tight, you can go in that opening with your flathead screwdriver and just twist again to get it to open up nice and easy without damaging any of this plastic. Now this will probably all come apart and the circuit board will come out. That is fine, that's actually what we want. Just set these 2 pieces of plastic down, go for the battery, and we can just slide it right out of here. It's very easy to do, and now we will just dispose of the old battery, get your new CR2032 battery, and when we are putting it, the new battery in there, we want the positive side that has the plus sign on it to be facing up. So we will slide it into place right where it came from, positive side up, and now we just can put it all back together. So pick up what is the front of the device, and we're just going to drop the circuit board into this little rubber housing with the battery facing up, and then we can just take the back section of plastic, set that on top, and squeeze it all back together. And with that, you are finished. It really is that easy. I hope that was helpful for you. And if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. That helps us out greatly, and we always appreciate it. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, remember to come back to this channel. We have video tutorials for the devices of pretty much every make or model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.